And people will do a renovation and spend all this money on the inside of their house and forget about the roof. It's really the shield for your home and should be treated that way. My name's JP McEvenew. I am the Executive Director of Semper Roofing Division. I love working for Semper. It's an awesome work environment to be a part of. It's a great culture. I love our message of integrity. Do what you say you're gonna do. Follow through on your commitments. Be there when you say you're gonna be there. To me, that message is kind of lost in contracting, and I love that is, front in mind for us.
Without a doubt, I would highly recommend Semper Solaris. I've been with them for 5 years. I had multiple friends purchase Semper Solaris based on my recommendations, how it's helped out, how I can afford to turn my AC on in the summer now.
Most people don't realize that a roof is more than just a shingle or a tile. It's a fully integrated system, from the underlayment to a starter to the shingle to the ridge to the ventilation.
Semper Solaris came out to explain the product. They really laid it out very simply, and they were great. They were just awesome.
When you add solar to that, it's also an energy producing system. Since rooftop solar and roofing are so integrated, it just makes sense to have them both installed by the same contractor.
So I knew I had to get a new roof, but when Semper Solaris told me that they do roofs as well as solar, it was a no-brainer.
I chose Semper Solaris because they both do solar and roofing, and I wanted a company that would do both. And I had a recommendation from a friend who had them do her solar on her house, so I knew that I could feel comfortable with them. I watched them work, and I saw the quality of their work, and I was happy with it.
Something that a lot of homeowners don't even realize is an important part of their roofing system is your warranties. You're talking about a 25-year warranty on your solar system, 50-year warranty on your roof. Having those start at the same time where the same person has installed that for you or the same company, you know where to go to if there's a problem. It's the ultimate peace of mind.
In the summer, the heat just lingers, and with an old roof that was just trapping all the air up there, we'd have to run our AC all night long, and that contributed directly to a $500 a month electricity bill. The roof itself is a 50-year guaranteed roof. That's a comfort of mine to know that. And I'm more than happy to be an advocate for Semper Solaris.
What kind of sets Semper Solaris apart from a lot of other contractors is we are a platinum contractor with Owens Corning. Owens Corning makes the best shingle in the industry. They have such faith in us, they're going to back our workmanship, our installation for 50 years. All those things are so important to protecting you and the biggest investment that you have, which is your home.
I would recommend Semper Solaris because they gave me a good price, they did a good job, they were clean, they were thorough, they went out of their way to treat me as a customer properly, they cleaned up their mess, they arrived on time, they got the job done early.
At its core, we are protecting people's homes. We're installing a high-quality roof, something that's going to be up there for another 50 years. To me, that's pretty cool.